Imagine having a team of experts who can handle tasks such as social media management, content creation, and even customer service, all for a fraction of the cost of hiring full-time employees. Sounds too good to be true, right? But with the latest advancements in AI technology, this is now a reality for small business owners like you. In this video, I'll be showing you the best AI tools that can actually make you money and how to use them step by step. One of the most significant time savers for small business owners is automated social media management. Tools like Hootsuite's AI-powered content scheduler allow you to plan and schedule posts in advance, increasing engagement and reducing the time spent on social media management by up to 75%. Let me show you how to set it up. First, log into your Hootsuite account and navigate to the Content tab. From there, click on the Schedule button and select the social media platform you want to post on. You can also use their built-in AI assistant to suggest the best times to post